Hello viewers, I am Maitri. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Continuity and Differentiability. Exercise 5.2 question number 4. Let's see the question. Differentiate with respect to x. So we are going to differentiate with respect to x. Here the given value is secant tan root x. We are going to differentiate with respect to x. So I am taking d by dx. If you see, there are three functions. One is trigonometric function, the other one is also trigonometric function, the next one is the algebraic function, that is root x. Each and every function, that is, it is called a chain rule. We need to differentiate each and every function. Now we know that differentiation of secant x. Differentiation of secant x is secant x tan x. Same way, differentiation of tan x is secant square x, and for root x it is power half, x power half. We know that x power n is n x power n minus 1. So differentiation of x power n is n x power n minus 1. The power will come to the front and it will be reduced by, the power will be reduced by minus 1. The same way the power will come in the front, it becomes half x power minus 1 will become minus half. Remember that for root x it will be 1 by 2 root x on the denominator. 1 by 2 root x. So differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Here because of the minus sign we will write this in the denominator. So x power half will be root. So 1 by 2 root x is your root x differentiation. Now let me write it here. In the place of secant x, we know that we need to write secant x tan x. In the place of x we have tan root x. So secant x, write the secant x differentiation as it is. In the place of x just write tan root x. So it becomes secant tan root x into tan root x. Into inner function differentiation, that is for tan x we know that secant square x, in the place of x write secant square root x. Again for root x, this we have completed, this we have completed. Now this, while doing this write it as it is. While writing tan, don't think of secant or root x, just write the value of tan root x to be secant square root x. Now for root x, while writing root x, don't think of this 2. Now root x is 1 by 2 root x. Write it in the order 1 by 2 root x into secant square root x into secant tan x into tan root x, tan root x. That's all with the differentiation. Thank you.